Hello again. Now we're going to prepare the format of our essay. Once you are ready to type up your essay, follow these steps. Number 1, open a Word document. 2, type your title in the center in capital letters. 3, on the home menu, go to the font space and choose 12 and Times New Roman. Number 4, break it into paragraphs by hitting Enter. Number 5, use indentation before every new paragraph. 6, press Tab key to make the indentation. And number 7, margins on the side should be the size of 1 inch. How? Go to the home menu, then Page Layout, press Page Setup. Then change the margins to 1. Click on the default button and accept the change. Number 8, to know how many words you used, click on the Review button then, select the paragraphs you need to get counted. Then press Word Count. Number 9, to check spelling, select the paragraph you want checked and press on the File menu, then Spelling and Grammar. Number 10, to make changes throughout your essay, like cross out a word. What do? Select the word you want changed or marked, click on Home menu, then go to Font and choose Body. Then double strike through, and you will see the example. Font, body, double strike through. Remember those points. Number 11, to add comments to your document, go to Home menu and choose the Review menu, then New Comment, and it'll pop up for you to type your comment in. Let's go ahead and see the sample essay and apply some of what we've just discussed. Okay, as you can see over here, we have sample essay for the title, and it needs to be put in the center, so we go ahead and press where the lines are centered. We said use capital letters, and you see sample is capitalized, but if it's a title, then we need to capitalize the first letter of the main words. Now, if you go below, you can see that the paragraph has no indentation. You place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and hit Tab. This will show you that it is the beginning of a new paragraph. And you continue to do the same with every paragraph you start to show that you have finished the paragraph before and that you have moved on to the next paragraph. If we want to check for spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes, we press Ctrl A, we select all, and then we go to the Review button. Now, under Review button, you'll see Spelling and Grammar. If you go to the side of the screen, it gives you examples of the mistakes that are there, and it gives a suggestion of how the mistake can be corrected. You have Classifies, which is with IES, and if you go below, it highlights the word classifies, so that's a spelling mistake. So we do not press on Ignore, because we know that it is wrong. We go ahead and press on Change, and it'll fix the mistake for us. Now, we move on to the next mistake. It says a very dark country was. If we go to the sentence, it says show that what was a very dark country. Okay, this is an example on a piece of information that you decide you want to keep. So you just hit on Ignore, and you do not make any changes to it. And then what pops up is we're finished checking your selection. Do you want to check the rest of the document? Yes, let's see if we have any more grammar or spelling mistakes. Spelling and grammar check complete. You are good to go. Once you get that message, you know that you have completed that part with checking spelling and grammar, and you can move on to the next point. Another thing, we said that we have to use double space when we are writing an essay. So again, we select all. Go back to the Home menu, we go to Paragraph, and where you see line spacing, you choose double space, and you hit OK. And that way the entire essay will be double spaced. To check out the margins for our essay, we need to go to the Page Layout, and we have different options over here. You can go ahead and press Page Setup, and then it'll bring you to a window where you have to specify margins. Sometimes it can be more or less, but we want to choose 1. It's already okay. We want to reduce it to 1 only. And you have it from the top the bottom, the left, and the right, and then you hit OK, and then it fixes the margins for you. Over here we had written something in bold print and we need to remove this. Again, we select the part that is in bold print and we could go back and undo the bold print. Now let's say over here we have something to say about the paragraph and we want to add a comment. Again, we could go to review and it says show comments. Or first of all, you need to put in a comment and then show that comment. So over here it pops up and you could type in like redo this paragraph. Of course, you put save to save all the changes that you have made. This way you will get to see the comment that you've made next time you come back. If there's anything else we need to check out, just to make sure that we have followed all the standards that we need. Okay, I am highlighting the word collapse to make a certain change. Let's see how that's done. We go to font and then double strike through, and they give you an example here where it actually crosses out the word. You hit OK, and then you see the word collapse crossed out. That way you'll know that this is not the right word that you want to use, and you may replace it with another one. If you have any further questions about this process and formatting your essay following the standard rules, please do not hesitate to ask on the discussion forum.